wish to work from home and enjoy the comfort? This video is for you if the answer is yes. I'm going to share 5 different microtasking websites or apps with you in today's video so you may earn some extra cash online. It's a fantastic way to potentially increase your income or even create money that you can invest or reinvest in a variety of online and offline endeavors. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Be sure to join the channel's subscription list. You may start creating change by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed whenever we publish a new video on how to make money online. Please hit the like button next to this video as well. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. The best thing about these websites for microtasks is that you can start using them right away without having to invest any money or pay any fees. It is totally free. You have a huge potential to make money and there are opportunities available everywhere. If your payout options are open to you, you may sign up, begin earning money from anywhere in the world, and it's also really simple and beginner friendly. Just be sure to watch all the way through to the finish to learn all the processes, and then let's get started. Let's begin. A phone app, sometimes known as a mobile app, is the first microtask platform that we'll be exploring. You can download it to your phone. You don't have to worry about it now since this app is available for both Android and iOS devices. As a result, you can work wherever you are and in real time. Work can be done while engaging in any activity or doing nothing at all. You basically only need an internet connection, so make sure you have one. So you can download this app, perform various jobs on it, and use that money to buy things. Therefore, this application or website is known as HiveMicro.com. So this is what you'll see when you visit the website's homepage. It claims that basic tasks may be performed from any location at any time using any device to earn real money. You will now be able to register for the platform. If you already have a Facebook account, you can sign up without having to go through any more steps by clicking the Sign Up with Facebook button. But once more, if you prefer to do it manually, all you need to do is provide your name, address, and other relevant data. Now, there are many jobs on this website that are easily accessible to everybody who visits. You use this site to do work and get paid, so you should anticipate receiving payment using either PayPal or Bitcoin. The kind of microtasks we're referring to here are categorizations and bounding boxes, which simply involve tagging objects of interest with one or more bounding boxes. Semantic segmentation and audio transcription are further technologies. With these, you can categorize several pixels or each pixel in a picture. Since they already have more than 1 million users on their site, we can now truly look at some numbers. Since they have paid out over $2 million on this platform and are accessible in more than 200 countries, you may start the sign-up process by heading to the homepage, clicking on Sign Up, and doing so right away. The second website we'll discuss is considerably better because it offers many payout alternatives and is accessible from anywhere in the world. The thing that makes this platform unique and rare is that it's a peer-to-peer marketplace or microtask website, meaning that you and I or anyone can go there and build advertisements and get people to perform a small task or microtask for us. This platform, which goes by the name Microworkers.com, is incredibly special and unique because of this. On this dashboard, you'll see that they promote microtasks like follow us, like and react, and reblog, and they claim to have a success rate of 100%. And if you want to, you can read, learn, and explore independently. Additionally, there are activities like search plus engage, for which you provide a screenshot and are paid 10 cents. On top of that, there are other jobs. They have HD jobs, which when you click on them will show you where they have higher group tasks. That is basically what HD stands for. You can perform a variety of things. Before we continue, check out our profile, which you may click on to utilize to start earning more money to understand how you can earn even more than what we promised you. Additionally, I want you to first let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for video content in case there are any particular videos you would like to see. While you're at it, tell us where you're from and whether you use an iOS or an Android device. I appreciate reading your comments and it really helps us out. Let's go back to the video now. As I previously stated, you may perform a variety of things for as little as $1.40, including making an account on a website and submitting your KYC, which simply verifies your identity and could be an ID or a license. And after that, you'll present a screenshot of the script, so you can actually count on completing it there. Here's another task you may complete for $2, and the nicest feature of this site is the range of compensation options it provides. They therefore have unto, and the minimum withdrawal is $10. After you reach $5, you can cash out through payout, airtime, or scroll. And you can also check other choices for the minimum cash out. There are also PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and OTM. Our third micro-task website, clickworker.com, is likewise a highly well-liked online resource. You will now be able to see the homepage and how it appears. The purpose of Picoworkers is to educate AI systems to become smarter so you can anticipate performing various activities relating to AI training as well as other things. In order to find different micro-tasks on this website, go to the homepage and then click on the worker job area link. This will transport you to another region of their website where you may begin the sign-up procedure. Therefore, to register, click here or click register here at the top and then click for Picoworkers. You will therefore register here and apply for various jobs. Don't even worry about that. They also have an app for both Android and iPhone smartphones. Once you have an account, you can perform various micro-tasks. Text generation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, mystery visits, app testing, photo and audio capturing are now among the micro-tasks you may anticipate working on this platform. Now that I have used this website myself so many times, I can tell you that depending on how lengthy, how difficult, or complicated the activity is, you may earn from a cent to even $5. Now, some specific projects can actually pay you more depending on how difficult or how simple the assignment is. The fourth website we have is known Picoworkers, which is number 4. I'm sure you're already aware of this, but I just wanted to mention it because it's a fantastic website. This internet market connects business owners and freelancers with simple, inexpensive assignments from all around the world. And as I've already said, this is a legitimate website where you may earn money for watching videos, classifying text or audio, or extracting data from a PDF. So those are just a few examples of the kinds of assignments you might anticipate to find on this website. They pay using PayPal, so you'll need a PayPal account to sign up. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe since it is very beneficial to the channel. Also, don't be afraid to comment below if you love our video so far and if there are any modifications you'd like to see, as we will read them and take them into consideration. Anyway, let's wrap up the video for today, shall we? The website Timebox, which is not brand new to the channel but is a legitimate platform that enables you to make money in numerous ways or by carrying out various micro-tasks, comes in at number 5. As you can see, you can earn money by posting on Facebook, watching amusing slide presentations, playing games, installing apps, completing micro-tasks, and participating in various surveys. Now that you're on their website, you can join up using your Facebook account for convenience. Micro-tasks may include watching videos, seeing advertisements, and so forth. And on the homepage, it says sign up with Facebook, but you can also do it manually by filling out the form with your email, your password, solving the CAPTCHA, and signing up for the platform. You must also confirm your account or registration to all of these platforms by logging into your email. Basically, scanning for emails enables you to validate your email address and activate your account. And that pretty much concludes the video for today. If you want to earn even more money, you can do so by visiting our profile and viewing our other videos. There, you'll learn a simple YouTube hack for earning money online simply by watching videos. What are you waiting for? Go and start earning. Again, this is The Money Hustle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.